Hey, what is up guys, Kelechi here. Welcome to the unboxing and review of the new Samsung Galaxy A31. I have the 4GB and 128GB variant. So before I unbox this device, please click below this video the subscribe button. Thank you very much. This is the same box you get when you purchase your new Samsung Galaxy A31 after watching this video. So when you open the box, you have an envelope, and inside the envelope is a warranty card. Next is a transparent rubber case, a quick start guide, and then you have the smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A31. Let's keep it aside. Inside the box you have the 15W fast charging adapter, the earphone, a Type-C USB cable for charging and connectivity, and then you have the SIM ejector tool. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A31. The major specs are labeled out: Infinity U display, quad camera and on-screen fingerprint. The Samsung Galaxy A31 is a direct successor to the Samsung Galaxy A30 of 2019. The A31 comes with noticeable upgrades over the A30. The quad camera build-up at the back is one of the major upgrades and the key selling point of the Samsung A31. There is also a bigger 5000 mAh battery available. The design of the A31 seems to be coined from Samsung A51 in a budget manner. The design is really premium. It is made of glass, just like the A71. It creates a rainbowish color pattern when light hits it. I have the Prism Crush White color option. It weighs 185 grams. A slim device that fits right in your hand, even with the big 5000 mAh battery. It is a lightweight smartphone with a glossy finish. On the right side you have the power button and the volume rocker. On the left side there is a new shaped dual nano SIM tray and also micro SD card slot. At the bottom there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C port, a noise cancelling microphone and the speaker housing. Then at the back is the quad camera build. The camera layout is the same available on A51. The main camera is a 48MP f2.0 aperture lens, an 8MP f2.2 ultra wide angle, a 5MP f2.4 macro and a 5MP f2.4 depth camera with a single LED flashlight. There is no rear fingerprint scanner, just like the A51. It has an on-screen fingerprint. On the front panel is a Super AMOLED Infinity U display, a 6.4 inches screen with 16 million colors. It has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The wide aspect ratio fills the screen with your content from edge to edge. Thanks to the thin bezels on top, and the chin below is quite noticeable. It is a full HD Plus display with beautiful color reproduction. And watching YouTube videos are not limited. You can watch up to 1080p. Awesome screen with 441 pixels per inch density. I love the display on the A31. All the AMOLED awesomeness is present. And of course, Samsung have the best display out there amongst others. You can also customize the display to your desired choice. Or if you prefer, you can switch to the dark mode. The Samsung Galaxy A31 comes with a Mediatek P65 system on chip, an Octa Core processor that is clocked at 2.0 GHz and a 1.7 GHz speed, 4GB of RAM and a big 128GB internal storage, which you can also expand up to 512GB via a micro SD card. The 6.4 inches display is also ideal for gaming. You also have a game booster that gives you an edge in gaming, thanks to Mali G52 MC2 graphic chip and the 4GB of RAM available on the Samsung A31. It comes with Android version 10 with Samsung's One UI 2.1. The battery available is a 5000 mAh battery. It is the key selling point and a major upgrade of the A31 over its predecessors. The A31 battery is also bigger than the A51 battery capacity. This battery is bold enough to handle most intensive tasks without draining out fast. A single charge can take you through the whole day on a normal usage, whether gaming or streaming. The Samsung A31 supports fast charging, and with the adaptive fast charger, it takes 1 hour 35 minutes to fully charge the device from 0 to 100%. The on-screen fingerprint is relatively fast and acceptable. And if you must use a screen protector, please make sure it allows for the use of the on-screen fingerprint. The A31 camera is another major upgrade from its predecessor. A quad camera build-up of a 48MP as the main lens. The camera app is simple to use with basic modes like photo, video, live focus, but the picture quality is awesome. The primary camera captures very good looking photos in daylight with plenty of saturation with good detail. The 8MP wide angle image is decent. It has a 123-degree angle view. This camera combination produces very fine images that are very decent. In video mode, it shoots 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. The front camera is a 20MP lens. The images are very decent, fine and detailed. So the Samsung Galaxy A31 is available at the price of 80,000 in Naira, which amounts to $210 for the 4GB 128GB option. At this price point, it is a good budget device. There are two things that give away the Samsung A31 as a good mid-range smartphone. It is lighter and slimmer than high-end devices, even with a big battery. The performance is smooth. Multitasking and app switching does not lag in any way. So should you buy the Samsung Galaxy A31? Or should you upgrade to the Samsung A31? I think I speak for everyone if I say yes. The A31 is a good performing device at this price point. This phone is definitely attractive, and more so you have a decent battery life and a Super AMOLED display at the budget price. Yes, I recommend the Samsung Galaxy A31. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below and consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. Peace.